Okay, first you get your tools. These are your tools and the brake cleaner. You have to make sure you huff a little bit first so it goes well. Now you gotta jack up the car with this little green thing so you don't break through the floor of the car like she did one time with my car. That's how you make sure it fits right. That's the pad thing on the jack. That's it, jacked up with the jack stand, double safe. You gotta take the lug nuts off. You can't hear it right now, but this is really, really loud. Those are the rotors, I think. They're naked. That's how you take them off, those bolts, I believe. Use your handy dandy little wrench, if it's the right way. That's the bolt again. Now you take this part off. Don't know what this part is, the cover maybe. You have to set it upside down on top. It's part of the steps. Make sure it sits, you tell it to sit. That's the brake pad. Those are pretty small. They're not supposed to be small. I don't know what that wire thing is, but it's important, so you set it on the tire. And boom, there go your brake pads. Maybe. Oh, there's a clip in there. Now, boom, there's the brake pad. That's its home. That is it naked. That's the brake cleaner. Are those the new brakes? Those are the new brakes. I don't know why they have to be clean. You put the little pouch of stuff on there. On the tabs. This stuff is blue. And then you put the brake back on. Maybe. Ta-da. Now you do the front one. And you put your wires back on to hold it in place. The other one. It's okay if the blue stuff gets everywhere. It's like the core. Very good. Now I use the clamp thingy. I'm not sure what we're doing with the old brakes. You put the clamp on to hold it. Then you tighten that real lot. And keep going. Keep tightening. Oh, no, you was loosening. Now you have the thing again. You put the cover back on. And you take the previously mentioned bolts. And you put those back in. You can't see what we're doing. This part's a secret. Now you can. And you have to squeeze it too. Make sure it jiggles. Put them in again. Now you're assembled. You just have to put your tire with your lug nuts back on. This one only has 4. And you do it in a star pattern. In this case, kind of a clover. You hand tighten them before you use the impact. And again, you can't hear it, but this part is also really loud. And ta-da, that's how you change your brakes. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.